focused on you. Victor, Angela, and Elmer, eye care focused on you.
Welcome to our open house. We're excited to tell you all about the latest technology in laser vision correction that we offer here at Victor, Endel, and Elmer Eye Care. We'll be covering everything you need to know about laser procedures like LASIK and the incredible new Zeiss Smile laser. You'll meet our surgeons, meet an actual patient, see what a procedure looks like, and we'll answer any questions you may have. We hope you choose to book an evaluation with us tonight using a special discount you'll receive just for attending this evening's open house. Now let's meet our doctors.
When you come to an open house at Victor, Endel, and Elmer, we expect to go over all of the latest technologies with a little background of where laser surgeries come from and what the new technologies can do. We like to say a VCR was pretty neat, but you probably wouldn't go out and buy one now. Some of these newer lasers can get you back to work the next day and not needing those glasses and contacts. We have that. 5 lasers, the latest technology on the planet.
The things that we do now were just dreams when we started. And the journey has just been amazing, and it continues.
Having the best technology out there is very important to us. You know, we're proud of our hometown. This is our hometown here as well. And you know, how cool is it that you don't have to drive to New York City or fly to LA to have the best technology right here in Buffalo, New York.
We have 5 lasers here, from the workhorses that have really been around for a long time with a proven track record of great results like LASIK and PRK, all the way to the newest procedures and technologies like Smile.
And our job is to figure out what's going to be the best for you. Most of you have heard of LASIK. That is certainly the most common procedure performed here in the United States right now. And what LASIK is we're actually lasering the exact fingerprint of the way your eye is supposed to see vision. And that's actually focused on that actual person, sort of like our tagline, focused on you.
We are really excited to be the only ones in Western New York to offer this new, state-of-the-art laser refractive surgery called Zeiss Smile. The first innovation really since 1999.
I love Zeiss Smile. I mean, it has just been a wonderful procedure for us. It's the latest way to do laser vision correction, and we've been seeing excellent results. One of my favorite things about my day-to-day is coming in to see my post-operative patients from Zeiss Smile.
Everyone's eyes are different, and we're going to use computers to figure that out, but also their needs are different. You know, what's important to them, you know, maybe they're a truck driver and they need to see distance. Maybe you read music and you need that distance. And so our job is to look at each individual, examine their eyes, but then also ask them personal questions. What about them? What are we trying to do? And then use all these technologies. That's why we have multiple lasers, because we have to figure out what is your needs and how do we take all that knowledge and focus on you.
I think our focus on always looking for the best way that we can treat our patients' problems and treating their individual and unique needs, that I think leads into our focus on you philosophy.
I have been thinking about getting LASIK for a really long time. You know, I had to wear glasses for distance, and I was actually the type of person, I hated the way I looked in my glasses. So when I started finding out about Zeiss Smile, and as I was talking with the people here at Victor, Endel, and Elmer, they really put me at ease that it was going to be quite a simple procedure. And that day that I had my procedure, I came in and I think I was here in total for maybe 30 minutes or so. The procedure itself, I could not believe how quick it was. The actual laser, I was only looking at for 24 seconds. And then next thing you know, you're sitting up and we're taking a celebratory picture with Dr. Endel. Actually, the next morning, I was able to read the bottom line on the eye chart, which was amazing. I've never, ever been able to do that before. LASIK or Zeiss Smile is an amazing investment in your life. When you think about the fact that it is a life-changing procedure, the fact that you could just see, you don't have to worry about glasses anymore, you don't have to worry about contacts anymore. Even those costs alone will add up over the years of your life, that this is so worth it, and you don't have to deal with it anymore.
I was a glasses and contacts wearer since I was 8 years old, so I had done it for so long, and there was just one weekend I fell asleep with my contacts, and I woke up and my eyes just felt terrible. Actually, I attended open house previously over the summer because I was kind of iffy just on the whole eye procedure. I've always been kind of scared, and I'm so happy that I did attend because it kind of relieved all the fears that I had. You really don't feel anything, and so it's like what they're telling you in the open house is exactly what your experience is going to be. Recovery time was, I could see great like the next day. And like after going through the open house, I just felt so comfortable. It was a great team here. Everyone was just so confident in what they were doing and confident in the procedures and confident that they could give me results that would be life-changing. And it's impossible to not recommend this to someone else. You're gonna be happy with your results. I mean, I couldn't imagine going back to wearing glasses and needing contacts now. It truly is a life-changing experience.
Victor, Angela, and Elmer, I care focused on you.